Welcome back, friends. I'm Dr. James Carter, and today I'm guiding you through a gentle yoga routine designed especially to ease back pain and bring comfort to your body. Let's begin in Hero's Pose. Relax your shoulders, take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Back pain can feel frustrating, but today we're going to give your body the care it deserves. Now, carefully lie down on your back. Allow your feet to fall naturally to the sides, and let your knees lean toward one another. Close your eyes if you like, and simply relax. Even this simple position can take pressure off your back. As you breathe, imagine sending fresh air into the tight spots of your body. And as you exhale, picture the tension melting away. This is your moment to pause, to heal, and to be kind to yourself. Next, place a yoga block under your hips. Rest your lower back on it so it feels comfortable. From here, gently rock your knees side to side. This light movement massages the lower back and even the top of the glutes. Tightness in the glutes often adds stress to the lower back, so this rocking can bring real relief. Go as small or as big with the movement as feels good for you. Then come back to stillness. Now, bring your feet together and let your knees open out into a relaxed butterfly pose. Reach your hands through your legs and lightly hold your ankles. Don't worry if your knees don't go as wide. Every body is different, and that's perfectly fine. What matters is that you feel a comfortable stretch across your hips and back. Now let's move into a gentle windshield wiper movement with the block still under your hips. Slowly drop both knees to one side, pause for a breath, and then let them fall to the other side. Take your time. If it feels good, you can place your hand on the top knee and apply a little pressure, or even use your hands to massage the hips as you hold the stretch. This move opens up the hip flexors and releases tension in the front of your hips, areas that often contribute to lower back pain. Return to center. From here, extend both legs straight up toward the ceiling. Feel the length in your spine. Then hug your knees gently into your chest. Remember this rule: when your goal is back pain relief, focus on rounding the spine forward rather than arching it. Too much arching can strain the back. Instead, rounding encourages the muscles to soften and release. If you'd like, you can take this into a gentle happy baby pose while still supported by the block. Release your feet when you're ready, remove the block, and once again draw your knees into your chest. Rock side to side slowly, giving your lower back a soothing massage. And please, don't hold your breath. Deep, calm breathing is the key to letting the body relax. While lying on your back, gently reach your right hand to hold your right ankle. Extend your left leg long on the mat. Let the right knee fall out to the side of your body. No need to force. This is about resting and opening, not pushing. If you enjoy the half-happy baby pose, you can explore it here. Let the hips open and allow the tension in your lower back to ease with every breath. Now switch sides. Bring your left hand to your left ankle while the right leg stretches long. Stay here, relax, and breathe deeply. From here, let's slowly come into a narrow knee child's pose. Keep your knees close together, extend your arms forward, and press your palms gently into the mat. Feel the length through your spine as your hips sink back toward your heels. This posture encourages your back to round naturally, which brings gentle release to the muscles. When you're ready, tuck your toes and shift into a low squat, pressing your hips back and up. Now, grab a towel. Roll it, not too tight, not too loose, just enough to give support. Place it under your lower stomach, right below the belly button, as you lie down on your front. Rest your forehead on your hands and simply breathe. You may notice new sensations here, especially if tightness in your hip flexors has been contributing to your back pain. Gently rock side to side if it feels comfortable. This little movement helps you explore and release deep muscle tension. Stay here a little longer, breathing deeply. Remember, the breath is what tells your body it's safe to relax. If you're holding your breath, the muscles will stay tight. So keep inhaling slowly and exhaling fully. Now, if you'd like to take it a step further, I'll show you a helpful tool. It's called the So-Right. Think of it as a more advanced version of the towel. Place it under your lower stomach, just like before, and gently allow your body weight to settle onto it. This can feel quite intense, so go slowly. Adjust your position until you find the right spot. You'll know when you found it. The key is to let your body melt down, not fight against it. Over time, this helps release the deep muscles that often cause stubborn back pain. If you don't have the tool, No worries, the towel works perfectly as a starting point. Just keep breathing, relaxing, and allowing the muscles to soften. When you're ready, grab a pillow or a meditation cushion and place it across your legs. Lean forward into a seated forward fold. Hug the pillow into your belly, grab your toes if you can, and let your whole body round forward. The emphasis here is not on stretching the hamstrings, but on gently rounding the back. The bigger the pillow, the better. It gives your body space to fold forward and relax. You can keep your feet slightly apart to make the posture more comfortable. Now, walk your hands to the right and stretch, then slowly to the left. Feel that gentle release through your sides. Slowly return to lying on your back. Place the block once again under your lower back. Keep your knees bent and your feet grounded. Now, gently engage your abdominal muscles. Lift one foot at a time and lightly tap it down to the floor. Alternate between the left and right. This simple move strengthens your core, which is very important for protecting your lower back. If this feels like too much today, that's perfectly fine. Just stay still, breathe deeply, and allow your body to rest. Remember, healing is not about forcing, it's about consistency and care. Next, remove the block. Press your feet into the floor, squeeze your glutes, and gently lift your hips upward. Don't go too high, just enough to feel your glutes activate. Hold this position for a few seconds, then lower down. To add variation, engage one side at a time, and lightly tap it down to the floor. Alternate between the left and right. This simple move strengthens your core, which is very important for protecting your lower back. If this feels like too much today, that's perfectly fine. Just stay still, breathe deeply, and allow your body to rest. Remember, healing is not about forcing, it's about consistency and care. Next, remove the block. Press your feet into the floor, squeeze your glutes, and gently lift your hips upward. Don't go too high, just enough to feel your glutes activate. Hold this position for a few seconds, then lower down. To add variation, engage one side at a time. Lift your right hip slightly, then your left. Move gently side to side. Place your hands on your glutes if you'd like, to feel the muscles working. As your glutes and abs strengthen, your lower back naturally begins to release its tension. Strong support muscles mean less strain on your spine. Very good. Practice these movements regularly, and you'll notice the difference, not just in pain relief, but in how stable, strong, and confident your body feels each day. Take one last deep breath in with me. Hold it for a moment, and now exhale slowly, letting go of any tension that's left. Beautiful. You've given your back the care and attention it truly deserves. Remember, these movements aren't just exercises. They are a gift you give your body every single day. Practice them often, listen to your body, and you'll continue to grow stronger, more flexible, and more free from pain. Healing is a journey, and you've already taken an important step today. If this session helped you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future sessions. I'll be sharing more ways to keep your body healthy and pain-free. Together, let's take one more breath in, and let it go.